Good morning everyone children. Yes, the class 4 English page number 49. As yesterday we have completed this. Fill in the blanks using the pictures a and or the where it's needed. Okay. Madhav saw many things on the road on his way to school the other day. Please turn the picture, turn the page children, that is page number 50. Open the page number 50 children. Yes, just wait children. Yes, now see. He saw a car or an car. Yes, he saw a car. He saw a car. Next. And an elephant, because whenever it is E, it will come the vowel sound of E, that is elephant, an elephant. He saw a bus with many people, these are people on it. So in this buses so many people are there. He saw a post office. Okay. There was a bakery. Obviously there was a bakery. These are the things in which he saw all in between. Okay. With a cake. Display on the what you call this? Display on a stole. Yes, you can complete this children. So this is write well, this is for, so writing part, please complete this children, at least in your rough book, other last one what you have, that you can complete children. Okay. Write a paragraph about a festival celebrated in your state. You can write about why you celebrate the festival, where you celebrate it, how you celebrate it, and what you ate. So you can write about the Diwali, you can write about Dashera, you can write about Batkamma, you can write about Holi, you can write about so many festivals. Okay, how you celebrate the festival, why you celebrated it, and what you eat on the special day. What are the things you can help with your parents and your mother, that you can write. It should not be, it should be like 10 to 12 sentences you can write children, and keep in the WhatsApp group. I will check that. Life skills. An earthquake is a natural disaster that can cause a huge loss of life and property. Read these tips for what you should and should not do during an earthquake. Write true or false. Do not panic. Yes, we should not panic. True. Please write down children, true. Next one, stay away from glass, windows and anything that can fall, such as hanging lights or fans. Yes, true. That also you have to stay away from that, otherwise it will you can be harmed from them. Yes or no? Take a lift to leave the building. False. Please write down false. You should not use any electric items. False. Take cover under a desk or bed. Yes, that you can do. Please write down true. If out in open, run towards the nearest building or a lamp post. No, you should never do that. Otherwise that there will be a chances of that lamp post or that building can fall on you. So that you should not, if you are going in open, just be open. Don't go near to the buildings. Please write down false. Last one, see children, stay away from the beaches as huge waves can sweep onto the shore after an earthquake. Yes, true. Please write down true children, all this you can write. Yes, I hope you have written, and you can pause the video and you can write. Yes, next one children, the silent snake. This is the poem regarding the snake. Okay children, let us see. The birds go fluttering in the air. So the birds they are chirping, they are flying in the sky. So they are fluttering. Please underline this children, fluttering in the air. The rabbits run and skip. Brown squirrels race along the buff. Buff means what, children? Branch. So the rabbits are running and skipping, and the brown squirrels, they are doing the race on the branch. Okay, these are the squirrels. Okay, brown squirrels. The mayflies rise and dip. Mayflies, a winged insect that live close to the water. Okay, these are the mayflies, children, the flies which are very close to the water. They are just going up, going down, going up, rise and dip. Yes, they can fly now, children. Yes. But while these creatures play and leap, the silent snake goes creepy creep. See, all the birds, the rabbits, the brown squirrels, they are what? They are playing. But the silent snake is creepy creep, means he is not doing anything. He is just going on, crawling here and there. Yes. Next. The bird is sing and whistle loud. The bird is, so these birds are singing, na? They are singing loud. Yes. The busy insects hum. So these insects are there, na? They are doing the hum sound. Yes. The squirrels chat. The frogs say croak. These are the squirrels which are chatting with each other. Yes. Some noise they are making. Yes. And the frogs are croaking. Where are the frogs? These are the frogs, they are croaking. But the snake is always dumb. But the snake is very silent. With not a sound through grasses deep, the silent snake goes creepy creep. So this is even all the animals are making the noise, but the silent snake is crawling very silent. Okay, so it is very silent. So even though all the birds can make the sound, but the snake can't. It is going in its own way. Yes or no? So this grass is deep means thick and tall grass. In the thick and tall grass, you can see thick and tall grass is there. Yes or no? This is the poem about the silent snake. Okay, children, I hope you have understood. Okay, so this we will do in the next class, children. Hope you have understand this. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye.